Welcome to our journey through 50 random facts that will blow your mind. From ancient history to the wonders of nature, let's dive in. We'll uncover hidden truths about animals, explore surprising historical events, and delve into the fascinating quirks of language and human behavior. Get ready to expand your knowledge and impress your friends with these incredible tidbits. Deep within the ancient pyramids of Egypt, archaeologists discovered honey, preserved for millennia, still as sweet and edible as the very day it was collected thousands of years ago. On Venus, a day lasts longer than its year. Imagine celebrating your birthday over a Venusian sunrise that stretches for months on end, or truly a day longer than a year. While strawberries are not true berries, bananas with their soft flesh and tiny seeds actually fit the botanical definition of a berry. History is marked by conflict, but the shortest war lasted just 38 minutes. In 1896, Britain swiftly defeated Zanzibar, showing the unpredictable nature of power. The octopus, a master of disguise and intelligence, possesses 3 hearts that pump blood through its complex, color-changing body. 2 hearts for gills and 1 for the rest of its body. Imagine experiencing the world through your fingertips, tasting each texture, each flavor. The octopus with its sensitive suckers does just that, blurring the lines between touch and taste seamlessly. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of human ingenuity, isn't as static as it seems. In summer's heat, the iron expands, growing taller by up to 15 centimeters. Deep within the Australian grasslands, the wombat produces cube-shaped droppings, a marvel of biology and a source of endless fascination. The flamingo, with its vibrant plumage and synchronized movements, is a sight to behold. A gathering of these elegant birds is called a flamboyance, a fitting tribute to their beauty. Chickens, despite their wings, aren't known for flying. The longest recorded flight of a chicken was just 13 seconds, showing the limits of evolution. We often associate allergies with pollen, dust, or food. But for some felines, the source of discomfort is their human companions. Yes, even cats can be allergic to us. In the vast Pacific, sea otters float on their backs, holding paws as they sleep. This heartwarming display prevents them from drifting apart in the currents. Frederick Bauer, the ingenious mind behind the iconic Pringles can, had one final wish: to have his ashes interred in his revolutionary creation. Thus, a portion of his legacy rests within the very container he invented forever. Next time you savor a plate of spaghetti, remember this: a single strand of this beloved pasta is properly called a spaghetto. Linguistic precision, even for the simplest of pleasures. Look up at the night sky and contemplate this. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches of our planet. The sheer vastness of existence is truly awe-inspiring and humbling. Those fluffy white clouds that drift effortlessly across the sky are not as ethereal as they seem. An average cumulus cloud weighs over 1 million pounds, believe it or not. The largest desert on Earth is not the Sahara, but Antarctica, a frozen expanse with scarce precipitation and challenging life. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas, reminding us we are interconnected in the web of life. The word nerd, now a ubiquitous term, first appeared in print in Dr. Seuss's whimsical world of If I Ran the Zoo. Leave it to a master of language to coin a term that would resonate for generations to come. Lightning, a force of nature both beautiful and dangerous, carries an incredible amount of energy. A single bolt could toast more than 100,000 slices of bread in an instant. Some turtle species, masters of adaptation, can actually breathe through their butts, a process known as cloacal respiration. Cows, often seen as simple creatures, possess a depth of emotion we may not realize. They form strong social bonds, experiencing stress when separated from their close companions. The longest wedding veil stretched over 63 football fields, showcasing human desire for extravagance and spectacle. We often use the word jiffy to denote a very short period of time, but it's actually a precise unit of time, 1/100th of a second. This means that in 1 second there are exactly 100 jiffies. The shrimp, a fascinating crustacean found in oceans and on dinner plates, has a rather unusual anatomy. Interestingly, its heart is located in its head, not its chest. The unicorn, a mythical creature of purity and grace, holds a special place in Scottish folklore as Scotland's national animal. A significant portion of the dust in your home is made up of dead skin cells, a constant reminder that we are always shedding and renewing ourselves. Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system, whips around the sun at a dizzying pace. A single day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Penguins have a charming courtship ritual where males present their chosen females with pebbles, symbolizing their commitment and affection. Before it was called a butterfly, this delicate insect was named flutterby, capturing its graceful flight. There are more fake flamingos, those plastic lawn ornaments in the United States, than there are real, living flamingos. The "your mum" joke, a staple of schoolyard banter, is far from a modern invention. The oldest known joke of this kind dates back 3,500 years, found inscribed on an ancient Babylonian tablet. Pigs, often associated with mud and mess, are far more intelligent than we give them credit for. They possess cognitive abilities on par with dogs and even some primates. Dolphins are known for their aquatic prowess, but sloths reign supreme in breath-holding. These slow-moving creatures can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. That tiny dot over the lowercase I and J is not just a decorative flourish. It has a name, the tittle, a reminder that even the smallest details of language have a history and a purpose. Every element, no matter how small, plays a role in the story of writing. Turtles, those ancient reptiles, have evolved incredible survival mechanisms. During hibernation, some species can breathe through their skin, a process known as cutaneous respiration. This adaptation helps them survive in harsh conditions. For those with a fear of flying, the shortest commercial flight in the world might appeal. It connects 2 islands in Orkney, Scotland, and lasts just 57 seconds. Snails, those slow-moving creatures of the garden, are known for their leisurely pace. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years, which is a testament to their low-energy lifestyle. The largest snowflake on record measured 15 inches wide, a true testament to the whimsical nature of weather. Cheetahs, the world's fastest land animals, can't roar. Instead, they communicate with purrs, chirps, and bird-like sounds. The word set has the most meanings, showcasing the flexibility of language. It's estimated that the average person will spend 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green. Perhaps it's a good time for reflection or a moment of mindfulness. Over 7,000 languages are spoken today, showcasing the diversity of human culture and expression. A group of crows is called a murder, a rather ominous term for these social, intelligent, and often misunderstood creatures. Twins are born minutes, sometimes hours apart. But in a truly remarkable case, the longest recorded time between the births of twins was an astonishing 87 days. Dolphins use unique whistles, much like names, to identify one another and maintain their social bonds within groups. These whistles are crucial for their communication and social structure. The world's largest snowman was built in 2008, standing over 122 feet tall. It is a testament to human creativity and the joy of winter fun. Hedgehogs, those adorable creatures with their spiky armor, are usually solitary animals. However, when they do gather, a group of them is called a prickle. The Great Wall of China, a monumental feat of engineering, is often said to be visible from space. However, this is a myth. While visible from low Earth orbit, it is not discernible to the naked eye from further distances. Caffeine, that morning pick-me-up, has a secret life. It's a natural pesticide produced by coffee plants to deter insects. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.